Good morning, guys. Today is, let me double check. It is Wednesday, September 21st. Yes, I got it right. It is about 7 a.m. and I just had my breakfast. I had my coffee and I had some toast with butter. And now I'm just organizing myself. Using my planner. This is my planner, guys. I use this every morning. I start off, I wake up, get ready, make my coffee, eat breakfast, and then next I use this planner to plan out my day, and it really helps for organization and so I can know what to do and so I don't forget anything. So this has been my lifesaver. And so yes, so today I'm actually attending an online webinar to continue my renewing my CEUs. It is for one CEU. It's for my certification. I actually have two certifications. One is my RHIT and one is my CCS. So RHIT stands for Registered Health Information Technician and CCS stands for Certified Coding Specialist. So I got all my CEUs done for the RHIT. Now I just have to finish the ones for the CCS and I'll be done. So I'm just getting these CEUs done so I don't have to do it later. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And I'll see you later. And I'm so glad we got up early so we can watch the sunrise. I love watching the sunrise and the sunset. It is such a beautiful time of day. So I'm glad you guys are here to watch the sunrise with me. Look how beautiful that is. I love that my window of my room is facing where the sun rises, so I get to watch that every morning. Oh, and I also wanted to share with you guys, I got 2 interview invitations from 2 different companies, of course. So we're trying to set them up for next week, so wish me luck. And also my car is finally done being worked on. Hallelujah. It feels like it's been forever since I've seen my car. So my brother's gonna go pick it up tonight and I'll see my baby tonight. Yes, I missed it so much. Oh, you guys can tell I get excited over the littlest things, but whatever. So yes, I'm so excited to see my car. By the way, I want to give a shout out to another YouTube channel. They are a Filipino family. They're called June and Shay in the UK. I will link their channel down below, so go subscribe to them. They're really doing well on YouTube, and yeah, go subscribe. Hi guys, so it is 10:31 a.m. now. I just finished washing the dishes and I am here talking to you guys. So my mom actually comes back this Saturday, which I am so excited about because it has been so long since I've seen her. Well, not really. It's been about 2 weeks, but it felt like forever. So I'm very happy that she'll be back home on Saturday. She comes back in the afternoon. And my brother, he's actually going to, starting next week, he's actually going to be sleeping at my tita's house in Virginia because that's where he works. But he'll come home on Wednesday and Friday because that's a long commute. He leaves at about like 6 a.m. every morning to drive to Virginia to work. And that's a long drive going to and from. So I'm happy he can rest there while he works. Guys, I finally got my car back. Yes. I miss my car. Aww. Never leave me. We have Popeyes for dinner. Got rice and beans, biscuits, and the famous chicken. And this one, I don't know what it is, but I think it's mac and cheese. So we're gonna eat now, and